Hello guys, and welcome to Not David Zimaleta. In today's video I want to unbox a pair of Bluetooth headphones. um, the reason I think this is interesting is because it has a really nice presentation, you know, like with the box and stuff, and they only cost like $50. I don't think you really could get a lot of choices for $50, and when I read the reviews, these had the highest reviews. As you could see, they're very tiny. They do go inside of your like ear and stuff. I really do hope the microphone is great on here. And another thing I like about this thing, it comes with a charging box. So you pop it open and it's got a little display and stuff like that, and you just basically pop them in. So you pop this one in and it's got the right to the right, left to the left. So that's the way they charge. And I don't have to really worry about messing them up, because I mean, they look so nice though. They look a lot more expensive than $50. I mean, just check them out. You open it up and look, they get ready to pair. Look, they immediately start pairing. It's like, how cool is that? Like, it knows when you open it up, and now when you close it, you see like and I'm back. I gotta pull these things out. Guys, they are amazing. They're like, wow, like really incredible. Now I gotta really like tell you how to set them up really good and stuff like that, because I just set them up, and man, guys, I am blown away. Seriously, you could probably see that in my voice, and I don't have to be. Nobody's paying me to be blown away. But man, for $50, the type of sound these things provide, the bass, the quality of the tones is just amazing. I actually had to pop the menu open because I could not figure out how to put the volume up and down. I read about so many different, you know, like Bluetooth headsets, you know, like where you could have like true wireless. On one of them I've read you could put the sound on one, and then I don't see anything about the sound. I could not put the volume up and down. Maybe I'm missing something. It's not important to me, but it's got all these other features in here, guys. It literally, you might need to keep this little menu thing. This is probably the only time you're gonna really need it, because of course you're gonna memorize this. It's pretty easy. So they got the left and the right. First, I want to tell you how to pair them. I tried pairing them, you know, I turn them on, I hold, I turn them on, I hold again, I turn it off. It seems like both of them was doing the same thing, but I could not find them in my Bluetooth menu. And then I thought, you know what, it probably needs a little case for that. So I put them in the case, and I shut the case back down and stuff like that. And then when I opened it up, it started flashing, you know, blue and red and stuff like that, back and forth, indicating they're in pairing mode. So the very you're gonna need to pair them, you're gonna need to have them in the case, which is kind of interesting. That's just like how Apple AirPods work. So then you, of course, you know, you'll see them in a Bluetooth menu, and you're gonna need to select ZEAKOC S1L and ZEAKOC S1R. Yeah, excuse me guys, I'm moving my own tripod here. So once you select that, it pairs. You could see that in your Bluetooth menu, they pair. So the very first time, you're gonna need to pair them in the box. Then you don't need to do it anymore. They will pair automatically. So here's how you use them. If you have a phone call, you simply tap once to answer on left or right type of a phone call. So you could answer it with this ear, and you could answer it with this ear. So one tap to answer, one tap to end call. So how do you reject the call? So if the call's coming in, you hold it for 2 seconds on any ear. So hold it 2 seconds here, 2 seconds here. You're gonna reject the call, and you could redial the last call by just double click on a left or a right earbud, and it's gonna go into standby status, and it's gonna actually recall. And I actually did something. I called my voicemail too. To activate Siri, and this is like another cool thing, is you hold it for 3 seconds on left or right ear. So hold it for 3 seconds, Siri activates. Guys, I can't believe how well it understands me, because I was actually telling you just a little bit earlier that Siri understands me with Apple AirPods, and I thought maybe it's because it's an Apple product, because for some reason with Bose it doesn't do that. Even though the microphones are good, I would say something, it does not understand me. It was kind of weird. So especially when I go to type something like words in a notepad with Bose, I would be trying to type something by speech. It was like halfway not understanding me, which is doesn't help things. These, however, man, they type everything that I say without a single mistake. I went to my notes, just hit like the little microphone icon, no delay. I'm just talking and they're picking it up. I'm like, wow, that's amazing. So then I actually opened up Amazon Music, because I have Amazon Prime Music. I started listening to stuff. I was blown away by the sound. The sound is just so amazing. It's just the bass, all that stuff, like, it's just like, wow, it blows me away. The only thing is I cannot figure out how to put the volume up or down. I listen on high volume anyways, and of course I got the phone for that. It does not have anything about that here. Now, it does say here that it is stereo sound and it lasts up to 8 hours, and this is IPX5 waterproof. So maybe some splashing. I don't think they're waterproof, but maybe some splashing. IPX5. I'm used to IP65 or IP67, IP68. So this is some kind of new rating. So it's got a little bubble with a thing. I mean, this could be sweat proof, I guess. You know, maybe a little rain droplets, you know, if you go out in the rain. So you're probably going to be okay there. I mean, they could be completely waterproof, you know, who knows. It did have that in the picture somewhere. It's like waterproof, because, I mean, it says here waterproof. You know, people are going to look at that and they're going to put them in the water and stuff. It does say it's comfortable wearing, and they're right about that. It is definitely comfortable. It says model number 51, so I guess they had other models, you know, before that. Yeah, like, guys, I'm really blown away. If you're looking for a nice, cheap headset pair, this don't feel cheap, but they are. They're very, very affordable. And, like, man, I'm gonna use these, like, every time now. Seriously, like, this is gonna be my go-to instead of my Apple AirPods. Because this is good for calls and listening to music and stuff like that, and to work in them without really worrying about messing them up. And man, the quality of them, the way they're constructed, it's just like really good quality. You know, it's just like I don't even know. You know, it's just there's a lot of competition out there right now on Amazon. These companies are competing left to right. I mean, this is a chain. So, and like I said, there's others like this with a different name, and they're all competing against each other. So, you know, that's helping us customers out because they're slashing prices. And the case just opens up like nicely. Is it magnetic? It is magnetic. There's magnets in here. Because look, it even closes upside down. See? What a nice pair of earbuds. Definitely get it, guys. I'm going to put a link in the description below. Definitely check them out. I'm also going to be unboxing a red one that I got from my wife. Very, you know, it's a similar shape to these. They're red though. You know, there's different colors. There's black, there's red, there's white. I got the red. I actually got a red iPhone. I like the red color myself. And I'm interested to know, is it the same quality as these? Because now, these are going to be the standard that I actually go by, like when I actually buy like headphones. But my wife the other day, she was telling me she needs a new pair of Bluetooth earbuds because her LG one, it's kind of wearing out. It's still working, but it's wearing out. The rubber, they have this, pretty much a lot of stuff now has like biodegradable rubber. And because, you know, the LGs, you pull them with the strings and they have the little rubbery thing over there, so that's falling off. Mine fell off, but, you know, mine still work and hers still work. I actually got my LGs wet like several times, and they actually not waterproof. Like, I literally dived in a pool with them and came out by accident. I forgot that they're on my neck. That's how comfortable they are. If I could swim with these if they're that waterproof, because it says waterproof. If I could swim with them, man, this is gonna be like on the next level. Because man, I could put some music on. I could be swimming, doing some laps at the YMCA. Man, it's gonna be incredible. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is kind of like a full review of them. Yeah, I'm impressed. What can I say? Take care, guys. God bless you. See you guys in my next video.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.